5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200, right on crest, 45 left, don't cut, and 4 right, into 6 left over crest line, 100, flat 6 left, 80, fast 4 left, big carry, don't cut, and 6 right, 100, and fast 3 left, open 5 left over crest, 80, flat 5 left over crest, 150, clear crest, and a fast 3 right. Fast 3 right, 60, 5 right, 80, 6 left, 60, clear 5 left over crest, don't cut, and caution, very long 5 left, tightens forward the wall, caution only 40, and a 3 right slippy. 80 up the middle, and a flat 4 left, don't cut. Here, left on crest, into 3 right down, and it opens to a 6 right. 3 right down now, opens to a 6 right. And long 5 left continues into chicane right entry 4 bales. That's actually a bit tighter. And long 5 right over crest, into bumps 500. And you have a flat 5 left. 200 down the middle, and a caution, late 3 right over bridge, slippy, 60, and a long 6 left over crest, jumps, 100, and a tight 4 right, and 6 left, into 4 right, and slow 6 left into 3 left, at the rock, don't cut, carry it, 60, 6 left over crest, bump 80, and slow 4 right, and 3 left. Short 2 right, don't cut, and 5 right, 40, caution, slow crest, into 5 left, tighten 3 left, don't cut at the sign, 40, short 3 right through your tunnel, 60, short 2 left, into 6 right over crest, 40, short 2 left, and 2 right, go out, into 3 right, 60, 6 left, 40, 5 left over crest bump, only 40, and watch it fast 2 left, 100, and flat 4 right over crest, it is flat, into bump, into flat 5 right, 130, and crest 60, flat 5 left over crest, don't cut, 150, 5 left, only 60, and 2 left, don't cut, take one now, late short 2 right, 100, flat 6 right, 80, 4 left into 4 right, don't cut, into 2 left, don't cut, and 2 right, don't cut, and square left, don't cut, and 60, long 3 right, late apex, nips, don't cut, crest, and fast, 3 left, and 4 right, don't cut, and 4 right again, 80, slow 4 left, don't cut, into square right, don't cut, 60, and 5 right, 3 left, into 4 right, and fast, 3 left, and 5 right, and long fast, 3 left, 4 right, 80, late 4 left over crest, into a sudden 2 right, fast and carry, the late 4 left over crest, into a sudden 2 right, fast and carry, 6 left into 5 right, don't cut, 5 left and 3 right, and 60, fast, 3 right, and long 5 left, nips in, 80, 3 left over gravel, 40, long 4 left, into 3 left, in at the sign, into short 3 right, 100, 3 right, 100, late 4 left over crest, don't cut, 60, short 3 right, short 3 right, 5 left over crest, and 5 left over crest again, into 3 right, don't cut, into 3 right again, 60, slow 5 right, and 2 left, slow 5 right, and 2 left, going out of it now, 5 right, don't cut, into 6 left, 100 up, and right on flat crest, the top, go now, into 6 left, 40, middle over crest, and 6 right over crest, 60, and caution, tight 4 left over crest, into 4 right, 80, and fast 3 right, big carry, into 5 left, 80, and fast 4 left, into 4 right in, and flat 6 left, and flat 6 right, 130, flat 5 left, and flat 5 right, and fast 4 left over the bridge, 80, and very long 6 right, tightens to a 5, and 6 left, 100, 6 right, and long 5 left, 60, and a short 3 left, don't cut, and flat 4 right opens, 150, and a flat very long 6 right over crest, don't cut, 300 down, chicane, right entry 4 bales, it's got a bit tighter now as well. Five right, all go now, long 5 left, and 6 right, into 5 left in, into crest, and 5 right, 40, 6 left over crest, into 4 left to the post, 40, 4 left here, 40, 5 right, 60, left on crest, 4 right, 100, 5 left, open, 6 left, 80, 5 left, don't cut the sign, into 5 right, 100, long 5 left over crest, don't cut, into very long 4 right, continues for 80 and nips, very long 4 continues for 80 and it does nip, into slow crest, and short 3 left, go wide, 60, short 3 left again, and short 3 right, 100, 5 right, 150, and a turn square left, bail inside, that's the job, well done, flat, got caution crest, into 3 left, don't cut, 3 left, don't cut, 80, 6 right over crest, and short 3 right, 6 right over crest, and short 3 right, and late 3 right after, into 5 left kink, 80, 5 right, 200, 5 right, 200, right on crest, slow 4 left in, 60 over crest, and the 3 left, 130, 4 right into crest, and 5 left, only 16 and 3 left in, 3 left in, 60, short 2 right, ran, short 2 right, 60, long 5 right, into crest, 150, and a careful left, tightens 3 left, long, and don't cut the chevron, and flat 6 right, 100, 100 down, and a 3 right, 3 right, a 6 left, 150, and long 6 left continues for 100 and tightens to a 5 left over crest, and caution 3 right, 6 left, 80, flat crest 150, and bump into long 4 right, 80, and 4 left, and long 5 right, and 4 left in, 80, 6 left over your finish, push now, push, oh, 858 I have.